Center for the Ethiopian Educational Information and Communication Technology presents Educational Satellite Television Programs.
Hello, teacher. Hello, students. Welcome to today's lesson about the marginal information on maps. Last time, we learned about the various uses of maps and learned how to classify maps according to their differences. Today, we are going to discuss some of the marginal information on maps. We will also distinguish conventional signs and symbols which are used to represent different features. This is going to be an important lesson in teaching you how to use maps effectively. Are you ready to begin? As we have already learned in our previous studies, maps are tools to convey information. In order to read a map effectively, we need to know as much as we can about it. This information is generally found in the map's margin, so it is called the map's marginal information. There are many pieces of information which are considered marginal. The name, the year, and place of publication, the legend or the key, the author, the publisher, the scale, the type of projection, the direction or orientation, and the magnetic declination. This is a map's legend. It describes the conventional signs and symbols that the map will use, which have been standardized and agreed upon by the world's geographers. If you come across a symbol that you do not recognize while you are using a map, your first step should be to check the legend. When you create a map, the symbols you select must satisfy three requirements. They must be uniform throughout the map. They should be easy to understand and read. The occupation of space, orientation, and size of the symbols should be constant. Let us see some examples of the conventional signs and symbols which are employed in maps all over the world. A city or town is denoted by a dot or a patch of shading. A stream or body of water is usually printed in blue. A political boundary, whether between a territory or a country, is shown by either a dotted line or a solid line. These are conventional symbols, which are commonly used. Notice how they satisfy all of our conditions. They are uniform, constant, and easy to read and understand. It is time for our first activity. Look at these conventional signs and symbols. Working with a partner, try to match each with the correct definition.
Students, let's get ready.